Just give me 1 minute to remove your fears of market crashes. Listen closely. A market crash isn't the end. In fact, it's a beginning of a wonderful opportunity. In 2008, the market crashed by 50%, but investors who invested at that time and held on the money till 2015 made almost 3 times their initial investment. Now, fast forward 2020, in the COVID crisis, in the initial half of 2020, the market crashed by 40% again. But investors who held on made up and recovered to their losses in just about 6 months. Crashes don't destroy your wealth. Panic does. The smart ones, what do? They buy in bear markets. Because remember, money is not made just in the bull markets. Money is also made, and majority part of it is made in bear markets, sitting there silently and patiently. Remember, in the past 10 years, Sensex has crashed almost 25 times. But in all this 25 times, not only it has recovered, but it has recovered and created a new high every time. So, don't fear a crash. In fact, be sensible and use it. Because bear markets don't break you, but in fact, they create millionaires only if you are up to play the game. Are you ready for it? So do subscribe to our channel and please comment, show us your love, give us your feedback, tell us what other videos we can make for you to help in your life and to make a small impact in your life, right? Thank you so much, Aam Janta, for joining in. This is Abhishek signing off.